Well, hello to each and every farmer and viewer. This is our first ever video in English version of visiting a farm. I hope you will love it. This is my first time, so I hope you will understand. If there is any mistake, please forget and don't forget to share love and subscribe our channel. I hope you will love it. Let's continue with our starting visit. I just want to tell you that all our videos are in Hindi. That's why I've make first ever try to make in English so that each and every farmer can understand how we manage a farm, what we do in a farm. And there are many, I saw many of viewers see from other states and other countries. I think they will not understand Hindi, so that's why I try to make it in English. I hope you will love our English version. Don't forget to love. Let's start. This is our main entrance, or we can call it lobby also. So we love greenery, that's why you are seeing so many plants and trees. This is a amla tree, this is a guava tree, and these are roses, papaya tree. So this is the main entrance. This is in I don't know what we call it in English, but this is in Hindi we call it shami tree. So this is the shami. You can see hibiscus tree also we have. We have lots of greenery in our farm. These are our personal cows. We don't sell milk of our cows. We just use it for our personal family and our farm only. These are desi. We should call them. The breed name is Shaiwal. The milk and the quality of the cow is very good. And you also know that we worship a cow because we think and we believe. We don't think. We believe that a cow is equal to 1,000 gods. And this is our main office. You can see there's cameras also. We can control each and everything from here. We also give pig farm training, as you are seeing on board. This is our labor room where our caretaker lives, and these are feed stores. This is also the green tree. You can see the main purpose of this video is just to tell other with viewers and farmers that how our farms look and what are the facilities we are giving in our farm. This is type of feed we feed to our animals. There are five type of categories. This is the pellet type feed we feed to our pigs. You can see this starter, grower, finisher, breeder and farrower. 5 types of feeds we provide to different categories of pigs. So this is our first unit. This is a weighing scale. This can scale about 1 ton, is equal to 1,000 kilo. So these are the freelancer rooms types. These are piglets taking rest. This is the afternoon time, that's why I'm making a video. It's so hot here, but due to our ventilation type farm, animals don't feel so much hot here. They take rest very easily. You can see we provide very hygiene to our farm. We clean daily 2 times a day. These are castrated and some gilts available taking rest. These are pregnant. This is a single small room just for a sow. This is first time pregnant. So we are going to a second unit. This is a second unit, same as first unit. First I will show you the third unit we have made. This is a third unit. English version is just for telling people who are living abroad or living in other states who don't know English, so that they can understand and they can know that how a farm looks like and how we manage each and everything. So this is our third unit. Third unit is specially for deliveries. You can see there is a small creep room type, feeder and milking type. This is for specially for farrowing, and these are growing age piglets, or we can say them pigs, and they are first time pregnant. So first time pigs are also known as sows, as you know. So now we are going towards our second unit. So this is our second unit. As you can see, it looks like the first unit. It is half open and half covered, and the third unit, as you are seeing, that it is full covered. both have benefits and benefits. Each and everything works equally. These are also sows, first time sows. These are also sows taking rest. These are growing age piglets. And that's it, nothing much. The each and every facility is available at a farm. 24-hour electricity with backup generator, inverter batteries, and each and everything. Because farm means you have to be prepared for each and everything. You don't have to wait. The backside view of a third unit. These are ladyfinger and chilies tree, banana tree, and other some beautiful trees. Money plant, some beautiful trees. And this is our also a storeroom. This is Bullet Labrador, but a very dangerous dog, looking at the camera and thinking what is happening. And this is cow feed. These are also cow feeds we use. This is wheat bran feed, and I don't know what call in English, chana chillak. So this each and everything we feed to our cows. Some more beautiful plants. Especially our cows are just for worshipping and for just a personal good quality milk. Because in these days, if we are working at farm, we can take care of 1 or 2 cows very easily, and we can have a very good quality milk as comparative with we are purchasing from dairies or shops, because they are giving us very unhygienic and mixed milk. So that's it. I hope you like our farm. I hope you love it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share and comment. You can comment us. We can answer your questions. I hope you love it. That's it. Thank you.